In this video, we are going to build a ChatGPT-like AI application using ASP.NET MVC, Semantic Kernel, OpenAI, SQL Server, and stored procedures. This AI assistant can directly perform CRUD operations on the database using natural language prompts. Let's see the final output first. Let's build it from scratch. Step 1. Create MVC application. First, create a new ASP.NET Core MVC application. Then install the required NuGet packages. Microsoft.Semantic Kernel. Microsoft.Semantic Kernel connectors.OpenAI. System data.SQL client. These packages help connect OpenAI, Semantic Kernel, SQL Server. Step 2. In MVC, we use appsettings.json to store configuration. Here, the AI section includes model ID, endpoint, and API key. These values help our application connect to the AI service securely without hard-coding them in the code. To generate the GitHub API key, go to GitHub Settings, open Developer Settings, then Personal Access Tokens, and click Generate New Token. Copy the token and paste it inside the API key section in appsettings.json. Step 3. Generate EmployeePlugin.cs file. Now we create the EmployeePlugin.cs file inside the class library project. This plugin contains all CRUD operations using Semantic Kernel and SQL Server. We added Get All Employees, Get Employees by City, Add Employee, Update Employee, Delete Employee. Each method uses the kernel function attributes so AI can call these functions directly. This plugin acts as the bridge between AI and SQL Server database operations. Step 4. Add AIChatController. Now create a new controller called AIChatController. This controller handles chat requests, connects Semantic Kernel with OpenAI, automatically invokes EmployeePlugin functions, returns AI responses to the UI. Also add chat UI code inside index.cshtml file. The UI sends user messages to the controller and displays AI responses dynamically. Finally, update program.cs file to register Semantic Kernel, OpenAI configuration, and EmployeePlugin. Step 5. Create database, tables, and stored procedures. Create the SQL Server database named AI Demo. Then create the employees table with EmpID, name, city. After that, create the required stored procedures. Get all employees, get employees by city, add employee, update employee, delete employee. These stored procedures will be used by EmployeePlugin for CRUD operations. Simple flow, how AI chat works. User sends message from chat UI. AIChatController receives the message. Semantic Kernel processes the request. EmployeePlugin function gets auto-invoked. EmployeePlugin executes SQL stored procedures. Database returns employee data. OpenAI generates final response. Response is displayed back in chat UI. Complete source code will be shared in the description. Semantic Kernel video link will also be shared in the description. Let's see the demo of CRUD operations and ChatGPT integration. First, let's show all employees. Now let's add a new employee using AI prompt. Next, update the employee details. Now delete the employee record. Let's verify the changes directly inside the SQL Server table. You can also ask normal ChatGPT questions like, how to make tea? What is AI? Explain Semantic Kernel. So this application works for employee CRUD operations, general AI chat responses, function calling using Semantic Kernel. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI and .NET videos. See you in the next video.